we ate already. We went around the ship. Now we have to go to the mandatory
muster drill.
Yes. So back then we have to take the life vest. Remember, like
back in the day.
we were supposed to carry the life vest with us. Now we don't have to. So it should be short, right?
Yeah. So see you there.
See you there. This is where people come to sleep. We got the luggage. Luggage is here. It's about 4:10 ship time. So we're done with the drill. It's very quick. Some people do fall asleep, but actually you saw me resting my eyes, but that was before they started the drill. Same as Eddie. So they play this nice video. It's like a movie, and they tell you about things that you are not allowed to do in case of emergency and everything. And so now we have the luggage, and I'm gonna get ready to organize a room so we can get the vacation started. Yay! So here's the bathroom. As you can see, there's some shelves, and that's where I like to put my toiletries. There's a little sink. And here is a shower enough for one person. And they also provide you with shampoo or body wash. And if you forget to bring your own conditioner, you can always ask the attendant for some conditioner, because they should have some little conditioners available, or you can check down in the stores. Here is the bed, and there are cabinets around it, and they all have a functioning door. It is a full size, I believe, either full or queen size, I'm not sure. And here is a full-size mirror where you can see yourself from head to toe. And that's the entrance, and right there at the door you can see where is your muster station, where is that you're supposed to go in case of emergency. Here is a lamp, and it also has a standard outlet. This right here is a closet space where you can put shirts and pants, and there is this little baskets by the door. The only thing I noticed was this door, when it's open and somebody's in the bathroom coming out, then you cannot get out of the bathroom because the door is blocking the entrance. And we have a sofa here, and above the sofa we also have functioning cabinets. And right here is the other side of the closet. This one has 2 drawers. And what I like about this one is that has the shelves, and that this is the one that I usually get. You also have the safe in here. Here's the telephone with a lamp, and then here is the vanity or desk, and it has some outlets, standard US outlets, and also USB. This is new. I have never seen this in any other cruises before. Here's the light for the mirror. On this side we have like a chest dresser. some cups. We'll have some drawers in here. And also right here is the little refrigerator. Let's check out the balcony. If you ever wonder or are concerned when you have little kids whether you want to book a reservation for a balcony room, they have a safety feature, and I'm going to show you in a little bit. For now, this is the balcony that we have. We are still in Singapore. That's where you hear all these noises. Let's go back inside the room, and this is the view you get once you come in inside the room. And I'm going to show you now the safety feature is all the way up in that door. As you can see, it is not very possible for little kids to reach that safety feature to open the door when you're asleep. I am cleaning the safe because I like to clean all the areas that are frequently touched. I am done organizing the room, and guess where we're going next? Yes, we are here for dinner, and this is Eddie's meal. He's having chicken with vegetables, and I am eating shrimp pad thai. It's a little spicy. Bon appetit. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see you on the next one.